Hey boaters, Captain Keith with MarineMax. Are you ready to spend less time taking care of your boat and more time out on the water? Well, we've got you covered. The all-new MarineMax app, available on iPhone and Android. The MarineMax app has one goal: to keep you out on the water with your family and friends. With a touch of your finger, you can easily connect with a MarineMax team member and order services for your boat. Anything from routine maintenance to requesting a wash or fuel, or having us complete a repair. Instantly chat with boating experts to get you and your family back out on the water sooner. Access our full lineup of boats and yachts for sale. You're even going to have access to our upcoming classes, events, and getaways. All this and a whole lot more on the MarineMax app. So download it today, and we will see you out on the water.